Hi guys, welcome again in your favorite channel Gadgets Wheel. Today's video will be interesting for you all, because in this video, I'm going to show you some amazing kitchen gadgets that will amaze you. And if you like and want to buy any gadget from these products, then you can find their links in the description. If you don't want to miss any products, so watch till the end. So let's jump into the video. Number 1. 4-grit seasoning box. This seasoning box is a 4-grit design, allowing you to store soy sauce, oil, and vinegar in one place. To use the seasoning box, simply pour your chosen seasoning into one of the 4 grits. When cooking, simply open the seasoning box and pour the desired seasoning onto your food. Number 2. Yolks Whites Separator. Are you tired of struggling with separating egg yolks and whites by hand? You may face difficulty separating the egg yolks and whites, but with the 𝐏𝐫𝐾 stainless steel, you can easily separate the yolks and whites in seconds. Using it is so easy. And the best part is, the 𝐏𝐫𝐾 stainless steel is made of durable stainless steel, so it's easy to clean and will last for years. Number 3. Palm Fruit Peeler. You may face difficulty peeling palm fruits and potatoes, making it a messy and potentially dangerous process. But with the palm fruit peeler, you can easily peel palm fruits and potatoes without any hassle. To use the peeler, simply hold the handle and glide it over the surface of your fruit or vegetable, applying gentle pressure. This peeler is designed to make peeling fruits and vegetables a breeze. Number 4. Sandwich Clutter. Without this tool, cutting and sealing a sandwich can be messy and frustrating. The Sandwich Clutter and Sealer has a unique design that allows you to cut and seal sandwiches in seconds. To use the tool, simply place your sandwich inside the clutter and press down firmly. Then, remove the sandwich from the cutter and sealer, and your perfectly cut and sealed sandwich is ready to eat. Number 5. Vegetable Leaves Herb Stripper. Preparing vegetables can be a time-consuming and messy task, especially when it comes to removing leaves from herbs and vegetables. But with the Vegetable Leaves Herb Stripper Eliminator, you can say goodbye to the struggle of removing leaves. To use the tool, simply hold the vegetable or herb in one hand, and run the Stripper Eliminator over the leaves with the other hand. The Stripper Eliminator will easily remove the leaves, leaving you with perfectly prepared vegetables and herbs. Number 6. The Towel Holder. Are you tired of constantly searching for a clean towel or dishcloth in your kitchen or bathroom? Now, you can easily organize your towels and dishcloths in a convenient and accessible way. Just hang your towels and dishcloths on the hooks provided. It's that easy. And the best part is, the towel holder is easy to clean and will last for years. Number 7. 5-layer seasoning box. Are you tired of searching through your cluttered kitchen for the right seasoning when cooking? But with 5-layer seasoning storage box, you can easily organize and access all of your favorite seasonings. Fill the individual compartments with your favorite seasonings. Next, rotate the box to access the seasoning you need. It's perfect for any kitchen. Number 8. Shower Caddy Organizer. Are you tired of constantly battling in a cluttered bathroom countertop and a disorganized shower? You may face difficulty organizing your toiletries, making it a frustrating and time-consuming process. You can easily organize and access all of your bathroom essentials. Here's how you use it. Peel off the backing of the adhesive on the shelf and firmly press it onto the wall. Next, hang your toiletries and shower essentials on the shelves and tower bar provided. Number 9. Wall-mounted storage basket. Are you tired of having a cluttered kitchen countertop and not enough storage space for your fruits and vegetables? You may face difficulty organizing your fruits and vegetables, making it a frustrating and time-consuming process. But with the wall-mounted storage basket, you can easily organize and access all of your fruits and vegetables. It will keep your fruits and vegetables fresh and dry. Number 10. Mop and Broom Holder. Are you tired of struggling to find space for your tools and cleaning supplies in your garage or home? But with the Mop and Broom Holder, you can easily organize and access all of your tools and cleaning supplies. Here's how you use it. First, mount the holder on the wall in a convenient location in your garage or home. Then, hang your tools and cleaning supplies on the holder using the multiple hooks and slots provided. Next, use the adjustable clips to securely hold your brooms and mops in place. Number 11. Toilet Brush and Holder Set. Keeping your bathroom clean is essential and for maintaining good hygiene and preventing the spread of germs. However, Cleaning the toilet bowl can be a daunting and unpleasant task. That's where the 𝐏𝐫𝐽 toilet brush and holder set comes in. The 𝐏𝐫𝐽 toilet brush and holder set features silicone bristles that are tough on stains, yet gentle on the toilet bowl. It also features an aluminum handle that is lightweight and easy to maneuver. This set also comes with a pair of tweezers. These tweezers are perfect for removing hair and other debris from your toilet bowl, making it easier to clean and preventing clogs. Number 12. Waterproof meat thermometer. Grilling is a great way to cook meat, but achieving the perfect level of doneness can be tricky. Overcooked meat is tough and dry, while undercooked meat can be dangerous to eat. That's where the waterproof digital meat thermometer comes in. It features a thermocouple instant read sensor that gives you an accurate temperature reading in just 2 to 3 seconds. Just insert the probe into the thickest part of the meat and wait a few seconds for the temperature to register on the display. With this tool, you can be sure that your meat is cooked to perfection every time. Number 13. Push-pull tool with longer handle. Baking and roasting are some of the most popular cooking methods, but they can be also dangerous. Getting burned by the hot oven rack is a common problem, but there is a simple solution: the silicone oven rack push-pull tool. It features a longer handle made of heat-resistant silicone, so you can reach into the oven without getting burnt. You might be tempted to reach into the oven with your bare hands. You can avoid injury and cook with confidence. Just slip the tool onto the edge of the oven rack and push or pull it into place. The longer handle ensures that you can do this without getting too close to the hot oven. 14. 24 silicone utensil set. Cooking can be a fun and creative process, but having the right tool is essential. With the silicone cooking utensil set, you can cook like a pro and enjoy delicious meals every time. This kitchen utensil set includes 24 pieces of high-quality tools with stainless steel handles and heat-resistant silicone heads. The non-stick and heat-resistant design makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. You might struggle with kitchen tasks such as flipping pancakes, stirring sauces, and scraping the bottom of pots. But with this set, you'll have the right tools for any recipe. The stainless steel handles provide a comfortable grip, while the silicone heads ensure that your food won't stick to the utensils. Number 15. Silicone round ice cube mold. There is nothing better than a cold beverage on a hot day, but traditional ice cubes can be boring and melt too quickly. That's where the silicone ice cube trays come in. It's designed to make 6 round ice balls that are perfect for cocktails and other drinks. Using the silicone ice cube trays is simple. Just fill each mold with water, close the lid, and put it in the freezer. Once the ice balls are frozen, you can remove them easily by pressing the bottom of the mold. Number 16. Silicone sink strainer. Clogged drains are a common problem in any household. Pouring harmful chemicals down the drain can be dangerous and damaging to your plumbing system. But with the hair filter sink anti-blocking strainer, you can prevent clogs without harming the environment. Using the hair filter sink anti-block strainer is simple. Just place the strainer over the drain and it will catch any hair, food debris, or other objects that might go down the drain. Just remove it from the drain and empty it into the trash. You can also rinse it with water and put it back in place. Number 17. Silicone baking mat. Kneading dough can be a messy and frustrating experience. Traditional countertops can be difficult to work with, and cleaning up flour can be a hassle. But with the kneading dough mat silicone baking mat, you can knead with ease and keep your workspace clean. The kneading dough mat silicone baking mat is not only perfect for kneading dough, but also for baking. You can use it to roll out cookie dough, cut out shapes, and bake your favorite treats. Number 18. Soap dispenser with sponge holder. Are you tired of a cluttered sink area with soap bottles and sponges all over the place? Introducing the soap pump dispenser with sponge holder. The perfect solution to keep your sink area tidy. Using the soap pump dispenser with sponge holder is simple. Just fill the soap dispenser with your favorite liquid soap and place the sponge in the holder. The soap pump dispenser is designed to dispense the right amount of soap, so you don't have to worry about wasting soap. Number 19. Compact folding digital scale. Do you find yourself struggling to fit all of your kitchen gadgets and tools onto your countertop? Using the compact folding digital scale is simple. Just unfold the scale, place your ingredients on the platform, and get an accurate reading in seconds. The scale can measure up to 11 pounds, making it perfect for both small and large batches. The scale's compact and folding design makes it easy to store in a drawer or cupboard, freeing up valuable counter space. Number 20. Silicone ice mold. Have you ever struggled to fit regular ice cubes into your drink, or found that they melt too quickly and dilute the flavor? The ice making cup silicone ice tray is here to solve all your problems. Using the ice making cup is easy. Just fill the silicone tray with water, place the lid on top and freeze for a few hours. The result is a perfectly shaped food-grade ice cube that fits perfectly into any glass. The silicone material is flexible and easy to clean, so you can use it over and over again. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and useful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content on kitchen gadgets. Don't forget to hit the like button, and leave a comment letting us know which gadget you can't wait to try out in your own kitchen. Stay tuned for our next video.